Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by spotting cells with embedded line breaks created by Alt plus Enter or char 10. That matters because methods differ. First, make a quick backup or copy the column so you can revert. Next, select the range you'll change. Once selected, use the Find and Replace dialog or enter a formula. This is the action step that transforms the data. Make sure to choose whether you're replacing with a space, comma, or nothing, because that defines final cell formatting. You can continue by choosing Find and Replace for quick edits. Press Ctrl plus H, paste a line break into Find, or use Ctrl plus Enter, and set Replace with to space, comma, or nothing, then replace all. Alternatively, use formulas to keep originals. Enter equals substitute, A1 char 10, and copy down, which is safer because it preserves source data. Once done, wrap that formula with array formula for entire columns, and make sure to check for leading/trailing spaces afterward. To finish, you should convert formulas into static text by copying the results and using paste special values only so changes stick. Then run trim and clean if you see extra spaces or hidden characters. That eliminates odd whitespace and non-printing chars. If you still encounter line breaks, check for char 13 or unusual Unicode separators and remove them with substitute. For one key troubleshooting tip, when replace fails, confirm the exact character with code, left cell 1, so.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.